Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to find the value of x when x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So as we see the equation, it's look like a quadratic equation, that is because it is in the term of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So we can solve it by middle term split, that is 5x. So I can write 5x as 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equals to 0. From the first two terms, I can take x as common. So x plus 2 is left. And from the last two term, I can take plus 3 as common. So x plus 2 is left. From both the roots, so x plus 2 is common. So x plus 3 is left is equals to 0. So now we have two roots. So either x plus 2 is equals to 0 or x plus 3 is equals to 0. From x plus 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to, if I'll add minus 2 both sides, so x is equals to minus 2. And from the next case, if I'll add minus 3 both sides, then x is equals to minus 3. So we have two values of x, either minus 2 or minus 3. I hope it's useful. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.